Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Reels in Adobe Premiere Pro. This will work for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. First, let's create a vertical sequence. Go up to File, then New, and select Sequence. In the Sequence presets, make sure you're in the Digital SLR folder. For this example, we'll choose 1080p 24, since I shoot all my videos in 24 FPS. Next, go up to the Settings tab and swap the frame size. Instead of 1920 by 1080, we're going to put 1080 in the first box and 1920 in the second box. This changes the aspect ratio from 16 by 9 to 9 by 16, which is perfect for vertical videos. You can save this as a preset and rename it to something like Vertical. Hit OK, and you'll now have a new folder at the bottom of your sequence presets called Custom, with your vertical preset inside it. Now you have a vertical sequence. You can drag in your video clip and when prompted, click Keep Existing Settings. Scale up the clip to fit the vertical frame. This will make it ready for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Next, let's talk about export settings to ensure high-quality short-form videos. For the format, use H.264. The frame size should be 1080 by 1920 to match the sequence. I personally use 25 frames per second, but some platforms recommend a minimum of 30 frames per second. Check Render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. For the bitrate settings, use VBR2 pass with a target bitrate of 20 megabits per second and a maximum bitrate of 24 megabits per second. This helps maintain high quality, especially if you use a variety of clips in your videos. Finally, make sure to burn in any captions you've added. And that's it. You've now created and exported a vertical reel ready for social media. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.